And to be more accurate, I want you to send a sample. What you do is you take a little bit of sample of your own hair. You don't want to get a big chunk from one spot. You can take a little bit on this side. You can take a little bit of sample and send it with your work order. This will tell us, it help us to get the color and the texture of your hair. So once you cut the hair, use a little bit of tape like that, and you put a little Ziploc and you send this with your work order.